Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. This is Jamb here, 2014 government pass question. Question number 24 says before 1945 the component unit of Nigeria were there. Before 1945 the component unit of Nigeria were there. That is, what are the components of Nigeria system of administration. So option A is a district, B is a province, C is a state, D is a regions. The component of Nigeria before 1945 was province, and that is why we have what we call the southern province, and then we have the northern province. So option B is correct. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.